আমরা এখন আশানের একটা নিউ টয় ওপেন করব। হি ইজ সো এক্সাইটেড। ও মাই গড।
Where's the knife?
Ashan is so excited.
I guess. Yeah. Daddy need a knife. 1 second.
Okay, bring the knife.
Let me bring that. Yeah.
Oh,
there you go.
yes. Okay. Wait, Baba. See. This is 12 to 36 months baby.
So now, let's open it. Let's open it.
Yay.
Yes. Ooh.
Let's open it. See?
Look.
So here have the
Read
instruction.
the instruction. You want to read the instruction?
No, he don't want. Instruction book. So here is too many toys.
This is this piece. Let's see.
This piece.
This is this. That's... No.
No. Okay. We have to organize this one. Then we will show you how it is look. With this track have two balls. What is the color? Red, yellow, purple and green.
This side a screw kitan lagi.
See how it is look. It look like garbage truck.
Nah.
No? No?
Loader.
Loader. Okay.
Construction.
Construction. Yeah.
Excavator.
Wow.
Dari aku lihat dah.
Yeah.
Mati udah. Anai le aku tor. Lah tor.
Thought this
Dekhai.
is car.
Oh tor. He ono boito.
ও ভাবতেছে এটা ওর কার, বুঝছো, গাড়ি। সো এখানে বসা যায়। নো, এটা তো বসা যায় না।